Hello YouTubers, it's me Aiden Joyce, back again. This time, it's a very special video. And as today is the celebration of the 80th anniversary of the Railway series, the book series of Thomas the Tank Engine Friends, I love to showcase these wonderful scenery, well, or what's close to being wonderful. It's also great. It's a work in progress. Here's the repair shed back in like season 1 through, well, 24. Or if any of you know what it is, leave it in the comments. I've used plexi. I used the face shield for the see-through windows. First off, it was red. Now it was green and tan, as it is from the show. The white is just there for decoration. I've heard some people actually do cardboard scenery, like one of them being Thomas Theorist, but so everything in here is more of a accurate to the television series. And here's the mountain here. The same one this is the one I've made. This is my first time making scenery. Yeah, it isn't the best. I mean, it doesn't have to be, right? Because it's my first time. I used foam underneath with paper mache, turf, grass, turf. No, turf is grass. I meant bushes, along with the realistic rocks I found at the backyard. Sorry about my stuttering. And I put it on a piece of cardboard, board as the base. And this one is and finally, this is the unfinished diorama here. And as you could tell, I made it as realistic as it can be. And this is the first time I used the ballast. I used one of the boards. I'm thinking it's I don't know what kind of wood it is. Like balsa. I used balsa wood from the exercising cage that I have, along with the foam. Nailed it down, a piece of track that I don't use. Painted up just to make it realistic. Put on some turf and some ballast on. It looks very realistic, and I'm not gonna lie, it's a little better, but it still needs work. I was gonna show you some locomotive to put on, but I'm like in a rush. Plus I'm using a different kind of camera. So don't wanna, if I tell you all of it, we're gonna be here all day. Alright, and just to tell you, I mean like, thank you. Before I tell you this, I'm like 36 subscribers away to 400. Thank you very much, and hopefully I keep this up. And if you're wondering for the diorama, I just use water, glue, and dish soap. Mostly got it from other videos such as the Unlucky Tug and Thomas Theorist and that model railway guy. So that's quite all of it. Sorry if it's a little off track, a pun intended. But I'm like running out of time and I've got like a busy day ahead. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have a nice day. Alright, see ya. And happy anniversary to the railway series. Bye.